Next, I will introduce some reference application that we have developed using Endpoint AI. Here is our first demo. We use about the M460, and we connect with the IMU for gyro sensor and the accelerator, and we can sensing about this motion about the W, rectangle or the circle, and the its performance is about the 30 frame per second. The model we used about the CNN model. And its flash is about 205 kilobytes, and the RAM is used 76 kilobytes. In this slide, we have a people counting example using the A35D1 NPU. As shown in the video on the right, it detects the number of the people in the environment. This system uses a USB camera and display the result on the LCD. The performance can reach up to the 20 frames per second. The model used here is MobileNet V2 SSD with a model size of 4.5 megabytes and a core size of 5 megabytes. It uses 75 megabytes of SRAM. As is evident, such a large-scale model is more suited for our NPU platform, which has a necessary large SRAM capacity to run it effectively. In this slide, we have a voice control scope example created using the M460 MCU. As demonstrated in the video on the right, by saying command like trigger, run, stop, zoom in, zoom out, and reset, you can see the command reflect on the scope. This is achieved using an onboard digital microphone. The performance can reach up to 50 frames per second. The model used here is a CNN model, which uses 436 kilobytes of flash and only 500 kilobytes of RAM. In this slide, we have an audio plaque building example created using the A35D1 IC NPU. As you can see the video on the right, it detects the current dish on the plate and calculates the price. This system uses USB camera and displays the result on the TFT LCD. The performance can reach up to the 20 frames per second. The model is MobileNet V2 SSD with a model size of 4.5 megabytes and the core size of 5 megabytes. It uses 72 megabytes of RAM. In this slide, we have an example of warehouse management system created using the A35D1 NPU. As shown in the video on the right, it automates the sorting of different products. It uses a USB camera to capture image and display the result on the TFT LCD screen. The system achieves a performance of up to 20 frames per second. The model uses MobileNet with a model size for 4.5 megabytes, and the RAM is 53 megabytes. In this slide, we have a hand gesture example developed using the M55 MCU. As shown in the video on the right, hand gestures such as call, fist, like, mute, OK, one, plan, and peace caller detect can be detected in the real time. A CMOS camera is used for input, and it results are displayed on the 4-inch TFT LCD. The performance can reach up to 10 frames per second. The model is YOLO fattest, which uses 600 kilobytes of SRAM. Additionally, 1.24 megabytes of hyper-RAM is used. The model size is approximately 460 kilobytes, and the code size is around 660 kilobytes. In this slide, we present an AI medicine classification example developed using the M55, M1, and CU. As you can see the video on the right, it successfully classified different types of medicine. The system used a CMOS camera for input and displayed the result on the 4-inch TFT LCD. The performance is similar to the hand gesture. So here's about data you can reference about it. Finally, the Nuvoton AI page has been launched on Nuvoton's official web. If you are interested in Nuvoton's AI solution, you are welcome to visit it and contact us for more information. So that's all my presentation. Thank you.